In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a trending print-on-demand t-shirt design for free with Photopea. With this method, you don't need any design skills and it's perfect for beginners. Literally anyone can do it. Let's get going, let's dive right in and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Merch Dominator to try and get some inspiration to see what designs are trending, etc. I'm going to go to the newest designs, click on search. Today is the 10th of April. We can see the designs that have just been uploaded and that are doing really well. And this is purely for Merch by Amazon, but you can use this method for pretty much any other POD platform. We're talking about Etsy, Redbubble, Spreadshirt, etc, etc. So scrolling down, this design right here caught my attention because I saw it's been trending for a while. There it is again, multiple variations. So we'll probably work on this one. And to get the full scope of what is selling currently on Amazon, I'm going to go directly to Amazon to see what is really selling, or I'll do a live research here from the platform directly. So I'm going to go to product search, put in the title and open on Amazon. These are the trending designs. I like this one. There are different variations, so we'll probably do something similar to this. Now this module on Merch Dominator is completely free, so anyone can use it without even having a subscription. So make sure you check it out. And now I'm going to go to the designer tool. As you guys can see, it's completely free as well. And this is Photopea. It's integrated directly inside of Merch Dominator. I'm going to click on file to open a new Canva. I'm going to select the dimensions that are widely accepted by many print-on-demand platforms, which is 4500 by 5400. In terms of background, I like to have a black background, like so. Okay. And then click on create. I'm going to hide the background for a minute. Then I'm going to start my design. Then we can use the background later on to check what the design looks like, etc. So the first thing I want to do is click on text and click on here. I'm going to type RE. Text is really small, as you guys can see, but we're going to zoom in to make sure that we have these transform controls on. Make it bigger, slightly like that. I want to make the distance between these two letters smaller. I double click and then select the R, come over here and change the tracking. Make the tracking slightly smaller. As you guys can see, like that is fine. And then confirm. I think that works better. Now I'm going to create another layer. You normally do it from here, but I'm going to click on Alt and drag. This way it copies another layer. I'm going to change it to use. Text is too big. We're going to make it smaller again. Again, click on Alt and drag. That creates another layer. Cycle. Confirm. Actually, I'm going to make this lower letters. Works better. Swap them around. Again, I'm going to type new. And another one will be think. I'm going to adjust the distance between these words. Make them here slightly. Okay, great. I think this is fine. So we're going to need to make this bigger. Not that hard, guys. Now we need to adjust the distance between these four words until we're satisfied. And one thing we could do is we could have equal gaps. We could use this option right here. I'm just showing you guys different ways so you can see what works best for you. I'm going to select all these four letters and then click on equal gaps here. Sometimes it doesn't do it properly. In this case, it kind of took the distance between here and here as the gap, but it doesn't look appealing to me. I want to take the distance from here, in which case I have to do it manually. I think it looks better like this. Now we're going to need to select everything and then turn it into a smart object. So we're going to right click here, click on convert to smart object. Now we need some nice texture to fill it with. So I go to Creative Fabrica and I type watercolor texture, and I can download any of the many options that I have here. I'm going to download this one right here and this one as well, and we'll see which one works best. If you guys want to get a free trial of Creative Fabrica, I'll leave you a link down below in the description, so check it out. Now coming back to the design, I think I'm going to select this one right here. All I do is I drag it onto here, just like that. I make the layer on top, like that. Perfect. Just drag it to the top, then make it bigger, like that. Same thing on this side. Drag it up a little bit. See, I want to include this yellow bit here, so I'll probably have to rotate it all the way around. Like this is fine. And then click on confirm. Perfect. Now watch the magic happen, guys. I literally right click on here and I click on clipping mask. Now let's turn the background on. I think that looks decent, guys. And then you can play around the mask however you like. So you can rotate it and it changes. It literally changes how it reflects in the text. Check this out, guys. I think that looks okay. Maybe you can include the green as well if you like. You can just make it bigger like that. There we go. Basically adjust it however you want. I think I'll go with this look. Now let me turn off this background. I'm going to download this design. Click on file and go to export as. We'll do PNG. Write the name. We'll do recycle, something like that. and then click on save. And then you can save this file as a PSD file and open it in Photoshop or wherever you want. There's our design right here, guys. And this is what it looks like if we try to upload it to Merch by Amazon, for example. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. It's pretty easy to create, isn't it? And by the way, guys, at the moment, Merch Dominator is offering 50% on all premium plans. The monthly, you'll get 50% off. And for the yearly, you get 2 months free on top of the 50% off. So you'll get the best discounts right there. So to do that, just copy this coupon code right here and paste it here. Click on apply and you'll see the discounts reflected over here, guys. And you can change from monthly to annually, etc. And then click on register and go from there. But if you're registered already as a free user, you can also go to your billing area and change the subscription from there. And you'll be able to get the 50% off as well. You'll find the coupon there as well. Just apply it, select, and off you go. And if you guys need the Merch by Amazon account or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. And if you want to see how I do the entire Merch by Amazon process from start to finish, including finding a niche, making a design, finding keywords, creating a listing, checking for trademarks, and uploading to Merch by Amazon, then check out this video next. And don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.